Guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and for your support. To everyone who's watching me for the first time, my name is Sandra and welcome to the family. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I need to get my hair done. So right now I actually want to remove all these stuffs, and then after I remove those ones, then I'll start undoing, because I've actually already started, so I have to do this. And then now we have to wash the hair, do everything, wash the hair, because the person who's supposed to redo my hair will be coming tomorrow. So we only have today to do what? I don't know where my hairband is. We only have today to undo, and then we wash it, we blow dry it, and then we put it ready for tomorrow. I have no idea what I need to get done, but probably by the time I'm done, I'll have something in my head. So guys, let's do this. Let's see the final outlook, how it's going to look like. Hi guys, so after I guess 2 hours or something, man, I still have all these hairs. So I was actually removing all these, and I somehow missed this one. So now I need to take something because I'm so hungry. I really need to take something, and then I start undoing these ones. If the time allows, then we can wash it. If then it doesn't, even tomorrow morning is another day for us to wash it and dry it, and we get it done. I'm so tired, jeez. So finally, I need to undo all this. Guys, so what's the time right now? It's at 1. So after 1 I need to get something to eat or even drink, and then we continue. So guys, we're actually doing amazing. 1/2 down. Yeah, 1/2 down, 1 to go. My hair is super dirty, okay? It's dirty. So then now we have to. And guys, I'm so tired. What's the time? Jeez, it's at 3. I think I need an hour and a half to finish up this half. I don't think I'll even get time to wash it now, but let's do this. Guys, I am finally done. That was, what's the time? It's actually at 4:16. I'm done. I don't think I'll manage to wash it today, So I think I'll just wash it tomorrow. Yeah, I'll wash it tomorrow and then I can just blow dry it. So I'm only going to Hi guys, so it's actually the next day and I've called the girl who normally do my hair and she's actually on her way coming. So I'm just going to like comb it. It's so dirty. Yeah, see? So now I'm gonna wash it and then when she comes, she's going to help me with the blow dry. So yeah, let's continue with our hair day. So guys, the hair is washed and I've also actually put leave-in. So I'm not going to like undo the matutas until like the girl is here so that she can undo them as she blow dries them. So yeah, I've actually even showered because yeah, so let's do this. So guys, you're actually done. Look at this. Hey, I'm really glowing. Yeah.